Good morning, guys. I am making breakfast right now and getting ready because I have an appointment I need to leave for very soon, like 10 minutes actually. So we are going to make a super quick smoothie and some chicken sausage. All right, let's do it. As usual, the time has gotten away from me, so this is gonna be a super quick smoothie. We are going to do blueberry, coconut water. I have a couple powders I wanna add in, inulin and MSM for my skin and my gut health. Then we're gonna do some spinach and some fresh ginger. I think that's everything. Oh, and frozen banana too, so let's do it. I would normally do more spinach than this, but we are out. I would normally fill it probably to like here or so with spinach, but that's okay. Hey guys, oh my gosh, I totally messed up. My appointment was at 10:15. I thought it was at 10:30. So I had to rush out of the house. That's why I put my smoothie in my only disposable cup I had, a Halloween cup. And now we are driving there and I am going to go get a scalp treatment done. Hopefully record a little bit while we're there. Hey guys, I just got back from my hair appointment from the scalp treatment. My hair feels so nice. She did an exfoliating scalp treatment and some scalp massage and I think a moisturizing hair mask, and then blew it out and styled it. So it looks really nice and fresh. Now I am starving, so we are going to make some lunch. We are doing some chicken sandwiches with one of our favorite gluten-free breads, and then we are also going to do some salad. I meal prepped some salad this week, so we have butter lettuce. I think we had some romaine too, so I did that, and then these little Persian cucumbers, which are so good, radish, some shredded carrots, and we have a honey mustard dressing from Primal Kitchen that I'm going to use, but you can also make one really easily with honey, mustard, and olive oil. We like to heat up the bread from frozen and then use this Le Creuset griddle, and we put a little bit of olive oil on the bread and then flip it a few times, and then we heat up the already grilled chicken that we meal prepped. You want the bread to have a little bit of toasting on it. Hey guys, it is 6 o'clock and we are about to make dinner. We're both feeling really exhausted and we are going to do breakfast for dinner to have something easy but still have some good proteins and fats. So what we are planning on doing is we are going to cut up some shiitake mushrooms. Those are my favorite mushrooms. They look like this. We're going to cut those up and make what I call mushroom bacon. There's a way to do this where you cut it into slices and like bake it and everything, and it kind of looks like little bacon strips. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do the quick version, and we are going to chop it up and use some truffle salt and crisp them up. We are going to do some turkey bacon. I like Garrett Valley Farms. I like their sugar-free organic turkey bacon. We're gonna do that. And then we have avocado we're gonna use. We're gonna do eggs, and we are going to put everything on some sourdough. This is a local gluten-free sourdough bread. So I'm probably gonna do 1 slice of this. It's pretty thick and filling. And I'll probably put the avocado on top to do an avocado toast, put the bacon and eggs and the mushrooms all sprinkled. And we have a nice, easy dinner that still has appropriate proteins, fats, and carbs. We are about to start cooking, so I will show you some of the prep. Mushrooms are chopped. We are going to start the bacon. We're just using a big pan and we'll do what, 2 slices each? And then I am about to thaw the sourdough. I'm just going to microwave it briefly so that it gets a little bit softer, and then we'll toast it. And this is what it looks like. Really good. Then the mushrooms are chopped, and then I'm gonna prep the eggs. I think I might want to do you want scrambled or over easy? I'm not sure. Okay, we'll do over easy. Okay, we just finished cooking dinner and it looks so good. It is about to thunderstorm here out of nowhere, so it just got quite dark. I'm going to wrap this up before we go eat dinner. I'll pop a little clip in of whatever I have for dessert too, but we are going to enjoy our dinner. As you can see, we have some truffle mushroom, some turkey bacon, sourdough, avocado, and an egg on the toast. So we are going to enjoy that.
Where's my order? I've been waiting for a long time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked seeing an example of what I eat in a day and you got some meal ideas for yourself. Thanks for coming along with me, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.